and welcome back to Small Talk Podcast. I am Emily, and today we have a very special topic.
Hello, everyone. I am Robert, and hello, Emily. You look very energetic today.
I feel very energetic because today our topic is about moving more at work.
Oh, that is a great topic. Very important for many people.
It really is. But first, everyone, please subscribe to our channel. It helps us so much.
Yes, and click the like button and share this podcast with your friends. Okay, let's begin.
So, Robert, do you sit a lot at work?
Yes, I sit at my desk for many hours every day. It is too much sitting.
Me too. Many people have this problem. We sit at work, we sit at home, we sit everywhere.
That is true. And sitting too much is not good for the body. We know this.
Right, so today we will talk about easy ways to move more at work. Simple things anyone can do.
I love this because some people think you need a gym, you need 1 hour of exercise, but that is not always true.
Exactly. Small movements during the day are also very good, very helpful.
Small movements. I like that. So what is the first tip, Emily?
The first tip is stand up every hour. Just stand up from your chair once every hour.
Every hour. That sounds simple, but do people really do it?
No, most people forget. They sit and sit and sit. 3 hours pass, 4 hours pass. They don't move.
That is me. I forget completely. I look at the clock and it is already afternoon.
Yes, so a good idea is to set a phone alarm. Every 60 minutes, the alarm rings, you stand up.
Oh, a standing alarm. I like that idea. Very practical and easy to do.
Yes, you don't need to exercise. Just stand. Stand for 1 minute. That is enough to start.
1 minute. Very small, very easy. No excuses. Okay, what is the next tip, Emily?
The next tip is walk during your phone calls. When your phone rings at work, stand up and walk.
Oh, walk and talk at the same time. That is a smart idea.
Very smart. You were on the phone anyway. You don't need to sit. Just walk slowly around the room.
I do some of my calls sitting at my desk. I never thought about walking during them.
Now you can try it, and you will feel better after the call. More awake, more alive.
More alive, yes, I need that, especially in the afternoon when I feel very tired.
The afternoon is the hardest time. Everyone feels sleepy. Moving helps wake the body up.
That is a very good point. Better than coffee, maybe.
Maybe, let's say better with coffee. A walk and a coffee. Perfect afternoon combination.
I love that combination. Okay, what is tip number 3?
Tip number 3, take the stairs. Don't take the elevator. Use the stairs every time.
Ah, the classic tip. Everyone says this, but do you do it, Emily?
I try to. I work on the 3rd floor, so I always take the stairs in the morning. It wakes me up.
3 floors. That is good exercise. Better than nothing. I work on the 2nd floor, so only 1 floor for me.
1 floor is still good. Every step counts, even 1 floor, even 10 steps. It all adds up.
It all adds up. I like that phrase. Every small thing counts. Very motivational.
Yes. Don't think about big things. Think about small things. Small steps every day.
Small steps every day. That is the key. Okay, next tip, please.
Next tip, drink more water. This sounds strange, but here is why. When you drink more water, you go to the bathroom more.
Oh, that is funny, but also very true. And walking to the bathroom is walking.
Exactly. And water is good for you anyway, so it's 2 benefits. You move more and you stay healthy.
2 benefits from 1 simple habit, drinking water. I need to drink more water at work. I always forget.
Put a big water bottle on your desk, a very big one. Try to finish it before the end of the day.
A big bottle. Okay, I will try that. My desk needs a big water bottle.
Yes, and when you get up to refill it, that is also movement. More walking, more steps.
So the water bottle makes you walk to the bathroom and walk to refill it. Double movement. Brilliant.
Brilliant. Yes, I like that word. Okay, let's talk about lunchtime. This is very important.
Lunchtime, yes. What do most people do at lunch?
Most people sit at their desk and eat. They look at their phone or computer. They don't move at all.
Guilty. I do that sometimes. I eat my lunch and watch something on my phone. Not healthy.
Not healthy. So the tip is go for a short walk at lunch. Just 10 minutes. Even 5 minutes is good.
A 5-minute walk outside. Fresh air. That sounds very nice, actually.
It feels amazing. You come back to work feeling fresh, your brain works better, your body feels better.
Fresh air is so important. We sit inside all day. We need to go outside sometimes.
Yes, even in cold weather, just dress warm and go outside. Your body will thank you.
Your body will thank you. I love that. Okay, what other tips do we have?
Here's a fun one. Do small exercises at your desk, like shoulder rolls or neck stretches. Very simple movements.
At the desk while sitting. So even if I can't stand up, I can still move my body a little.
Exactly. Roll your shoulders back, move your neck slowly left and right, stretch your arms up. Very easy.
Let me try the shoulder roll right now. Oh, that feels nice. My shoulders were very tight.
Yes, we hold a lot of stress in our shoulders, especially when we type at a computer all day.
So true. My neck hurts sometimes, too, from looking at the screen too long.
So, do the neck stretch. Slowly tilt your head to one side, hold for 5 seconds, then the other side.
5 seconds? That is nothing. Anyone can do 5 seconds. Very quick and very helpful.
And you can do it many times a day. Nobody will notice. They will just think you are thinking hard.
Yes, I look very serious, but really I am just stretching my neck. Perfect office secret.
A perfect office secret. I love it. Okay, one more great tip. Walk to your colleague instead of sending a message.
Oh, instead of writing an email or a chat message, just stand up and walk to them. Talk in person.
Yes, it is more personal, it is more friendly, and you move your body. 3 good things in one action.
3 good things. I like that. Better communication, better relationship, and more movement.
Exactly. And your colleague will be happy too. It is nicer to talk face-to-face than to read a message.
That is very true. We send too many messages these days. Sometimes a real conversation is better.
A real conversation, yes, and a little walk to their desk. Perfect combination again.
We like combinations today. Okay, Emily, let's review all our tips together for our listeners.
Good idea. Let's go. Tip 1. Stand up every hour. Use a phone alarm if you forget.
Tip 2. Walk during your phone calls. Stand up and move around the room while you talk.
Tip 3. Take the stairs every time, not the elevator. Every floor counts, every step counts.
Tip 4. Drink more water. Put a big bottle on your desk. You will walk more naturally.
Tip 5. Walk at lunchtime, even 5 to 10 minutes outside. Fresh air and movement.
Tip 6. Do small stretches at your desk. Shoulders, neck, arms, quick and easy. No equipment needed.
And tip 7. Walk to your colleagues. Talk in person instead of sending a message.
7 tips, all simple, all free. You don't need money, you don't need special clothes, just small habits.
Small habits make a big difference over time. That's the most important lesson today.
Small habits, big difference. I will remember that. It's very motivating.
And remember, you don't need to do all 7 tips on the first day. Start with 1, just 1.
Start with 1, maybe the easiest one for you. And then after 1 week, add another one.
Yes, slowly, slowly, step by step. That's how good habits grow. Be patient with yourself.
Be patient with yourself. That is wonderful advice, not just for exercise, for everything in life.
For everything, including learning English, small steps every day and you will see progress.
Oh, I love that connection. Moving more at work and learning English. Same idea. Small steps every day.
Exactly. You are already doing it right now. By listening to this podcast, you're taking a small step.
Yes, every episode you listen to is one small step forward. We are very proud of you.
We are so proud. Okay, before we finish today, we have a question for you.
Yes, our question of the day is, what is one way you can move more at work or at home?
Write your answer in the comments below. For example, I will take the stairs, or I will walk at lunchtime.
Simple answers are perfect. We want to read your comments. We love hearing from you.
Yes, and please remember to subscribe to Small Talk Podcast, like this episode, and share it with a friend.
Sharing helps other people find us, and we want to help as many English learners as possible.
That is our goal, to help you learn English and to make your day a little better.
A little better every day. That's all we need. Thank you so much for listening today.
Thank you, everyone. Now go stand up, drink some water, and take a small walk. Your body deserves it.
Yes, go move. We'll be back very soon with another fun and helpful episode. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. Stay active, stay healthy, and keep learning. See you next time.